kachurvs! For today's vlog, I'm going to share with you how I can get rewards and cashback or refund o sa madaling salita, pera sa Pampers. So without further ado, let's watch this! As a mommy, when you heard about savings, cashback, or refund, or kung ano mang mapagkakakitaan, or kung saan ka makakatipid, talagang you will be curious about it. Pagkaaralan mo, bibigyan mo ng time, at susunggaban mo yung idea na yon. At yun nga po ang ginawa ko. Diapers and wipes ang mabilis maubos sa bahay. So, nung nakita ko yung Pampers Rewards sa box ng Pampers, ito po siya. Pampers Rewards. Ayan, ito po siya. Siyempre, box na lang to, di ba? Ayan, Pampers Rewards. Nakita ko po ba yan? Todo download ang lola mo. At nung dinownload ko yung app nila nung March 2019, may pa-welcome bonus na agad sila sa akin na 100 points. So, every time na nag-scan ako ng Pampers codes sa diapers nila, may na-earn akong points and currently may 3,000 points ako. So guys, hindi ko na po ipapakita on how to download the app. Kasi I know everyone knows where to get the app, right? Sa Google App Store lang po. So ngayon guys, let's explore the Pampers app. Sa front page nila, makikita mo tong unleash the earning power of your receipt. O diba, ang sarap pakinggan, talagang go for the earnings tayo. Currently, may 3,000 points pa rin ako. I will explain sa inyo later why I'm not using my points yet. So, let's proceed na sa reward section. Under reward section, merong diapers and coupons, sweepstakes, toys, baby gear, photos and gifts, home and living, limited time offers, gift cards, and donations. So, wag na natin patagalin. Puntahan na natin isa-isa. Let's click this section, diapers and coupons. As you can see, there are corresponding points per Pampers. So, if you want to avail an item, make sure that you have enough points. Next naman itong sa sweepstakes section. Oops, merong eligibility confirmation po munang gagawin. So, provide mo lang yung location mo, then magpapakita na yung sweepstakes with their corresponding points. Now, my favorite section, the toy section. The reason why I'm not using my points dahil I want to avail a toy here for my little one. I'm saving up my points to a certain amount para ma-redeem ko yung gusto kong toy for my toddler. Not enough pa kasi yung points ko eh. May filter din dito na pwede mong gamitin para ma-sort out yung gusto mo lang i-show sa screen. Ang daming magagandang toys, di ba? And yung corresponding points nila are increasing too. Yep, the points are increasing. I just want to show you guys all the toys that Pampers offers for the rewards program. San ka pa, di ba? Sa baby gear section na tayo. Hala, ang gaganda rin ng mga items dito ah. Pero, look naman the points needed. Ang laki talaga. Mag-iipon muna ulit ako. Now, sa photos and gift section na tayo. Ayan, kung mahilig ka sa mga personalized items, digital prints, photo cards, or photo books, ito yung bagay sa inyong mga momshies. Not bad na sa mga points needed ah. Ayan, sa home and living section na tayo. As of now, 3 items pa lang ang mai-offer sa atin ni Pampers. Take a look sa points mga kachurvs. Oh, katako man oy! Sa limited time offer section na. Yehoo! Malapit na matapos! Ayan yung mga program na in-offer ni Pampers. Pwedeng i-avail guys. Kaya sa points natin yan. Now, sa gift card section tayo. Ayan yung mga pag-gift card ni Pampers. Click ko tong Amazon gift card kasi mahilig akong mag-Amazon. So, if gusto ko worth $25, ang katumbas ng points niya is... Eto! OMGRR! Sa last section na, donation section. Ayan, if you want to donate some of your points para makahelp ka sa mga foundations na tinutulungan ni Pampers, dito ka magpunta. Tignan natin yung shopping cart ko. Charan! Your cart is empty. May parenting section si Pampers. Ang galing! Nakaregister ang anak ko dito kaya namomonitor ko kung nare-reach ba niya yung mga certain milestones or developmental stages per month. Ayan, hindi ko na po ito isa-isahin na and I will just leave it to you mga momshies para ma-explore nyo rin po yung Pampers app. So I'm going to show you how I scan and get points from Pampers. So punta ka lang dito sa I have Pampers now and click mo lang yung I'm ready to scan, then ito po yung lalabas. Just nyo lang po kung anong product ni Pampers ang meron kayo. So, for this tutorial, I have their diapers. So, click lang natin yan. Then, let's start scanning. Mapapa-high five ka talaga. Akalain mong meron akong 40 points sa isang Pampers code nila? 2,916 points pa lang ako dito. Pero ngayon, 3,000 na. Fabulous na fabulous talaga. Andali lang guys, di ba? Tara, sa cashback na tayo! Exciting it! Remember guys, kanina sa front page nila, ang sabi, unleash the earning power of your receipt.
So, paano mag-submit ng receipt?
Madali lang po. So, puntahan lang po natin yung kanina sa front page nila, tapos click natin tong I'll scan a receipt. Then it will bring you here, get started page. Sabi dito, submit a clear image of your receipt. Then, click Add Receipts. So, since na-picturean ko na yung resibo ko, I will choose lang yung picture na yon sa photo gallery ko, then Submit! Tapos, ayan, may message po kayong marireceive na ganito. Your receipt has been submitted. Processing may take up to 24 to 48 hours. So, let's check my upload history. Ayan, I already submitted 2 receipts. Then, makaka-receive po kayo ng notification sa phone nyo about dito. Then, they will inform you that your receipt was approved. If it qualifies for a cashback, you will see the credit in your cash balance within 24 hours. Tapos, nung chinek ko, o diba may $6 na ako? You have a cashback worth $6. Transfer your cash manually anytime or it will auto-transfer to your PayPal account on September 30. So, dapat po may PayPal account po kayo dito ha. Tapos, yung sa second receipt ko, may $2 naman ako. So, isisend ko na sa PayPal account ko. Then, magsisend sila ng verification code sa phone ko. Ayan, na-receive ko na and I will enter that code here. Then, ayun, yung $2 ko is on its way na daw. Yay! Woo! Napakasimple lang po, di ba? Madali lang gawin. So, every time na nagre-replenish kami ng diapers ng baby namin, nakakatanggap ako ng cashback or points from Pampers by scanning the codes or the receipts. Super happy and contented talaga ako sa Pampers kasi kahit naka-diaper lang si baby matulog at night, I know na protected siya and worry-free talaga kasi walang magiging leak sa kama namin. So, happy mommy and happy daddy. Proven and tested na namin po yun. Tapos, may reward points ka pa and cashback from Pampers na matatanggap. So, saan ka pa, di ba? Kaya mga momshies, discover your baby's world at pampers.com or you can download their app and join the Pampers Rewards Club to get some points and cashback. Hi mga kachurvs! Please give me a thumbs up if you find this tutorial helpful or informative. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell notification para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong uploads ko. So, bye-bye! See you on my next vlog!